Okay, this is the next of our videos in the ArcMAP series for editing, and in this case we're going to be talking about the skills and applying them for points. And I'm going to go over the basic skills here, and then I'm going to break this into a series of real small videos for each element. So first of all, what you're going to be doing is adding points to an existing feature class. That is, in this case, you have hospitals, and you want to add some hospitals to that. We also are going to add kind of a silly feature, but we're going to take and add points relative to another feature class, in this case, the boundaries of counties. We're going to move some points. We're also going to delete some points, and then we're going to add attributes to the points while we're in editor mode. So that's the basic idea. What comes next then is what I have specific tasks for you to do. So in this one, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding 2 new points to the college's point feature class at the approximate locations of Grove City College and Slippery Rock University. We'll use base map for that, and I'll show you how to do that. Then we're going to add, using the PA counties as a reference, 2 points to the hospitals feature class that occur along the southern border of Butler County. So we're going to make points be co-occurrent with a polygon feature's edge. And then lastly, just for the sake of argument, we're going to delete a point feature, and that's going to be the Grove City Hospital from the hospital's point file. Okay. Okay, so what I've done here, I've opened up my editor again, or my ArcMAP again, and what I'm looking at now, I've added the PA counties are on here. I'm going to turn off the rivers for right now and streams. I'm not interested in either of those right now, but I will need, again, the colleges, and I'm also going to be interested in the hospital. So these are the layers that I need to focus on. So first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding 2-point features to our colleges feature class. So I'm going to click on colleges. That is a left mouse click. Then I'm going to right mouse click, and I'm going to edit features. I'm going to start editing. Okay, that's the first thing, and that's fine. We don't worry about spatial references. We're going to continue here. And so what I want to do is I want to zoom into the area of interest, and I'm also going to be using world street maps as my base layer. Now again, if you don't have that, remember that you click here on your drop down and add a base map, and that will allow you to add the base map. And the one that I would suggest for this is going to be the one that is streets. That'll be most effective, and so that's what I've already got on mine. And so here's world street. I'm going to click on that. Take a moment for it to draw. Now I know where I'm going. It's right here, and I've already zoomed to that. And here we go. Here are the 2 areas in general that I want to add. Here's Grove City, and so I'm going to zoom into that one, and we'll add that point first. And so here it is. I've kind of zoomed in, and here's Grove City College. So now I'm in editor mode. All that I need to do, and I want to open up again. Here's my editor. I'm going to click on the drop down for it, and I'm going to open up my editing window, and I'm going to choose the Create Features option. Click Create Features, and I'm interested in colleges, and you'll notice that here is the Add Point option. You'll notice once that's highlighted, all I have to do is move on to the screen, and you'll notice that there's a dot there. I'm going to put the dot right in the middle. And now what I can do also, and I'm going to pin this so it stays open, is for that I can also take, and in my editor I can go into my editing windows and attributes. That opens up the attribute fields for that feature class, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go into name, and I'm going to put in Grove City. Okay, once you've done that, hit enter, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom back out. I'm going to use my back to previous extent. And I know that I'm looking at Slippery Rock here, so I need to get my zoom tool. I'm going to zoom in here. There's Slippery Rock University. Again, I'm going to go back into from my editor, I'm going to go into my editing windows and select the Create Feature option. I'm in colleges in my construct tool, and you'll notice as soon as I bring it on here, the dot is there. I click. Again, I go back to my editor, my editing window. I'm going to go to my attributes, and again I'm going to type in right here, oops, click Slippery Rock. Okay, so that's adding our features. Now once I've done that, I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to go back to my editor, and I am going to save my edits. When I come back in the next video, we'll be looking at the next set of tasks for points.